Beautiful. Tight feet, come on, squeeze them hard. Atta girl, push them away from you. Atta girl, push them away from you. Yes, excellent. Good. Excellent. Keep cantering and do the first jump again in canter. All the way around the back of the coop. That's it. Very nice. Reward him. He looks great. Very good. I like it. To help him, you're going to have to use your bicycle brakes, but you're also going to have to use your leg. Leg, 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 nudge, 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 leg, 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 leg. Beautiful. What a good girl.
Nice.
Excellent. Walk and pat him. Leg, leg, leg.
Nice.
Awesome. Get nice and straight. All right. Now leg, leg. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Awesome. Good weighting with your shoulders. Well done.
He's got a happy look on his face and swinging his back. Good boy.
Do it for you. You just got to encourage him more. And if he wants to stop and have a look, that's okay. Come on. There you go.
Yes.
All right.
I think it's from one of these.
That's it. Very good. So when you get to this jump, I want you to be very tight with your leg and feet and soft with your elbow. Yes, good girl. Go round the walls. Little bit of canter now. Canter on this one. Canter on. Right, girl. One. Good, now tell him. Come on. Good boy. There you go. See, he wants to do it. All right, now just do the first two for me again. Now be positive. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
Good girl.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is awesome.
Do the arrow.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good with the eye. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, be positive. Sit up.
Go,
Boy.
go, 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 go.
There you go.
Woohoo!
Somewhere, walk and pat him. Everybody in the line with bird again. Same direction.
It's a little carousel. Yeah! Good boy. Look at me. Confidence.
Can't explain how important it is. When you get to the end, it's like that thing.
I like the way the 5-year-old takes the top. Yahoo! Yay! Woohoo!
All right, can we do it again? Awesome. Round all the jumps. Isa, come here.
Isa. Isa.
Good. Remember, it's a drop jump. He's allowed to stop and have a look if he wants, but you got to keep kicking and looking. So sitting trot and lean back and drop him away from you. Come on, drop him away from you. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Push him away from you. Yes, good. Keep going. Yes, yes, yes. Go on. Yep. Go on. You're doing it. Yep. Come on. You can do it. Come on, bird. Come on. Come on, bird. Look, the doggy's in the water. That's it. Keep going. Keep him coming this way a little. Come on. There you go. Yep. Yep. In this way. This way. This way. That'll grow. We're starting to get close to the other horses.
Woohoo!
Awesome. All right. Straight around and do it again.
Isa,
Yep.
get out.
Barrels to
Come on.
water. Now be the angry mother and push him away. Away. Away.
Get
Come on.
in there.
Yeah, that's right.
Get in there.
That's right. That's right. Low hand. Yay! Good boy.
Woohoo! Beautiful, Tracy.
Excellent job.